Hello, welcome to another lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be learning how to draw an arc. So let's start a new part file. And again, I'm having you start the new part file just to reinforce all the stuff we've learned in the previous lecture. So let's start a sketch on the right plane. So click the right plane, click your sketch. And to draw an arc, our arc is over here. So the first type of arc is a center point arc. So we'll select that. So to draw you click your first point. And let me try that again. Click your first point, drag it out, click your second point, and now move this in the direction where you want to draw it. And click your third point. That's how you draw a center point arc. The second type of arc is a tangent arc. So in order to draw a tangent arc, you need a line, because if you look at the logo for it, the icon for it, you have the line over there. So we'll draw a line. So let's say you have a line, an horizontal line. So you now click on your tangent arc. You click the end point of that line, drag it down somewhere, click, and that's how you draw a tangent arc. So to just select that, you right click and click select. So that's how you use it. Remember, to draw a tangent arc, you need a line first to draw it on. And the third type of arc is a 3-point arc. I use this a lot. And it's just you click your first point, click your second point, drag it up and click. So that's the 3 ways you draw an arc in SolidWorks. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture.